turn it up as high as it'll go. And there we have it.
No more than a trickle. That's how much water Dixmoor's Smith Mobile Home Park and surrounding neighborhoods have had to use since Saturday morning.
It's very frustrating. It's terrible that it has come to this.
Former village trustee Cynthia Masudo says she's been fielding phone calls from seniors looking for help.
We are not getting any answers. We're not getting any help from the village.
The water pressure here has been a problem for the last 2 years, but neighbors say this is the worst it's ever been.
You can't flush a toilet. Can't do dishes, laundry, shower, it's ridiculous. You called off school for the kids, the whole thing has just gotten out of hand.
Dixmoor's village president blames today's problem on this water main break in the city next door.
This is over in Harvey and not Dixmoor.
Dixmoor gets its water from Harvey.
There was no problem on our end. We checked the meter, no problem on our end. When we checked Harvey meter, it was very little pressure coming in. At that point, we went to the pumping station, opened the door, the turbines was on fire.
But Harvey says its feeder line to Dixmoor is in full working order, and a water main break in Harvey would have no impact on the pressure in Dixmoor.
This has been going on for 2 years. Now all of a sudden you're going to say it's Harvey's fault?
Frustrated neighbors are now picking up water donated by nearby Dalton at Dixmoor Village Hall. They say they just want this problem to be resolved once and for all.
Fix our water. We deserve better.